everybody, I'm Brie the Plant Lady, and today I want to show you just how easy it is to plant potatoes in containers. You want to start by getting some pots with good drainage holes and adding a small layer of compost to the bottom. I do about 2 inches. Then you can put your sprouting potatoes into the soil and then cover it with more compost. Depending on how many potatoes you have ready to be planted, you can just do multiple containers, or you can do another layer of the potatoes in the same pot like I'm doing here. The main thing is to keep your potato count to about 6 per container and then fill it all the way to the top with a rich, delicious compost. Site it in full sun with easy access to water. Now the cool thing is you can do the same thing with sweet potatoes. Just put a little bit of compost in the bottom and then put your sweet potatoes right into that. And then you can just fill your container back up with compost. I'm actually doing this to prepare these sweet potatoes to be overwintered in a frost-free shed. For this season, I'm going to stash them again in the full sun area with easy access to water. Hi everybody, I'm Brie the Plant Lady, and I wanted to do a quick impromptu potato harvest because I noticed that this pot of potatoes has gone dormant. So this is just a small ornamental container filled exclusively with Soil Cube organic compost. And to harvest, I'm just gonna kind of dump it out onto this bed edge so that I can replant in the compost here in the ground. Oh, pretty heavy. Whoa, look at all the potatoes. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's a whole bunch of potatoes here. And there's some great baby potatoes that I'll be able to save and replant. So I'm gonna put those in their own pile. I swear, growing potatoes is one of the most satisfying things that you can do as a gardener. No matter how much space you have, you can just literally fill a pot with compost, put some potatoes that have started sprouting from your countertop in it, and poof, a few months later, you will have potatoes to harvest. So let's uncover these. Oh my gosh. There's so many. This is so awesome. I usually grow my potatoes in the ground, but honestly, after this reveal, I think I might be a convert. I might start growing my potatoes in containers more often because this is really satisfying. And I don't remember exactly how many I planted in here. I probably planted like 2 pieces. I feel like for a pot this size, I think 2 sprouts would have been what I would have planted. So to show you, go ahead and plant that little one. I'm going to spread that compost out and it'll be ready to be planted in. And I have all these potatoes. I'll be able to bring these inside and make mashed potatoes for dinner.